Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today I've had a project that I've been wanting to do for the last month or so, but I've been waiting for the product to come in. And what I want to do today is stain, or treat, I should say, the railroad tie border around our parking area. And what I'm going to be using today is this product right here. I know you can get it online as well, but the prices on Amazon were about 3 times of what I was able to pick this up at Lowe's. My main objective is getting rid of the two-tone look and having it be more uniform. All right, I got this face pretty much done with the roller as well as the top piece. Now I'm going to use this 3-inch brush and get in between the cracks. All right, I think that's going to do that leg. Let's step back and take a peek. Looks good. Now I'll get this leg done and find another project to do. Well, that was a fun little project. Got both the retaining wall here at the parking area as well as the retaining wall around the shed all done up today, so we should be in good shape for a season or two. Anyway, that was an easy project. Didn't take too long, and it took me about 2 gallons to do both areas. I definitely applied it quite liberally, but I figured if I'm at it, might as well give it a good coat. So anyway, 60 bucks in product, $30 per gallon, and I think it should do the trick. It certainly looks a lot better to have it all uniformed and not looking all sun faded. So anyway, I hope everyone has a great weekend, and until next time, this is Alex saying so long for Adventures with Alex and Tammy.